If your NGL link is not working on x.com or Twitter, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common issue, especially on desktop, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easiest step-by-step methods to get your NGL link working again, whether the problem is caused by cached data, cookies, or browser extensions. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why this happens. Sometimes, x.com, your browser, or even an extension like an ad blocker can interfere with how an NGL link opens or loads. That means the link may not respond properly, may show an error, or may not redirect the way it should. The first fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. If you're using Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cookies and Other Site Data, and cached images and files. Make sure you select the time range that covers the issue, or just choose All Time if you want the cleanest reset. Then click Clear Data. After that, close and reopen your browser, go back to x.com, and try the NGL link again. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue, because old stored data can block pages from loading correctly. If the link still isn't working, the next step is to disable your ad blocker or any other browser extension that may interfere with the page. Some extensions can block redirects, scripts, or embedded content, which can stop an NGL link from opening properly. To test this, turn off your ad blocker temporarily, or open your browser's extension menu and disable any privacy tools, script blockers, or pop-up blockers one by one. Once they're disabled, refresh x.com and try the link again. If it works, you found the cause. You can then whitelist x.com or NGL or leave that extension off when using the link. If that still doesn't fix it, try opening the link in an incognito or private window. This is one of the fastest ways to test whether the problem is caused by cache, cookies, or an extension. In Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Safari, open a new private window. Then, log into x.com if needed, and open the NGL link again, because private windows usually run with fewer saved settings and fewer extensions. They help you quickly see whether your normal browser profile is the issue. If the link works in incognito mode, that usually means the problem is in your browser cache, cookies, or an add-on. In that case, clearing data and disabling the interfering extension should solve it permanently. If you still have problems after trying all three fixes, refresh the page, copy the NGL link directly, and test it in a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. That can help you figure out whether the issue is specific to one browser or device. To recap, the main fixes are clearing your cache and cookies, disabling ad blockers or other extensions, and testing the link in an incognito or private window. Those steps solve most NGL link issues on x.com when using a desktop browser. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and comment below if you want help with other x.com or NGL problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.